Do you ever look up at the night sky and wonder if there's anyone else out there? If you're not alone in the universe, I have some news that might make you very happy. NASA has just released new findings from one of its telescopes that suggests there could be life elsewhere in our galaxy. But what exactly did they find? And why are scientists hesitantly excited about it? Let's take a closer look. Are we alone? New discoveries hint at life on distant planets. The question whether or not we are alone in the universe is perhaps the most profound and enduring mysteries of our time. For centuries, humans have looked up to the stars and wondered if there was other life out there. And now, thanks to advances in technology, we are closer than ever to finding an answer. One of the most promising areas for the search for extraterrestrial life is the study of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. With the help of powerful telescopes, scientists have been able to detect thousands of exoplanets, and even some of them may have the potential to support life. In this context, NASA recently made an exciting discovery that has reignited the debate on whether we are truly alone in the universe. The discovery was made by the space agency's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, also known as TESS. This telescope is designed to identify exoplanet by looking for the slight dip in brightness that occurs when a planet passes between its star and Earth. Since its launch in 2018, TESS has been scanning the skies and collecting data on millions of stars. The satellite has already discovered thousands of exoplanets and is on track to find many more. One of the latest discoveries made by TESS was the detection of an exoplanet that is similar to Earth in size and mass. The planet orbits a star that is located 300 light-years away from Earth, and it is believed to be in the habitable zone of its star, where conditions are suitable for life to exist. The discovery of this planet has generated a lot of interest among astronomers and astrobiologists, who believe that it could be a potential candidate for hosting life. But that's not all. In addition to discovering potentially habitable planets, TESS has also been able to detect signs of life on an exoplanet that is much different from our own. The planet in question is WASP 39b, and it is located 700 light-years away from Earth. It is a gas giant with a mass that is 7 times greater than Jupiter's, and it has an atmosphere that is rich in water vapor. Scientists were able to detect the presence of water vapor in the planet's atmosphere by observing the way its light was being absorbed by water molecules. The discovery of water on this distant planet is significant because it suggests that there could be other planets in the universe that have similar conditions and could potentially support life. Of course, the discovery of water alone is not enough to confirm the presence of life on an exoplanet. However, it does provide an important clue that scientists can use to further investigate the planet and search for signs of life. One way to do this is to look for biosignatures, which are chemical or physical signs of life. For example, the presence of oxygen in the atmosphere of a planet could be a biosignature because it is unlikely to occur naturally in an atmosphere. Scientists are also looking for other gases in the atmospheres of exoplanets, such as methane and carbon dioxide, which could indicate the presence of a liquid water ocean. Another exciting development in the search for extraterrestrial life is the discovery of phosphine in the atmosphere of Venus. Phosphine is a gas that is not naturally occurring on Earth, and its presence in Venus's atmosphere has raised speculation that it could be a byproduct of life. However, scientists are still investigating this discovery, and more research is needed to confirm it. In addition to these exciting discoveries, there are other signs that suggest there could be life beyond Earth. For example, radio signals that have been detected from space could be evidence of advanced civilizations trying to communicate with us. However, these signals could also have a natural explanation, and scientists are still trying to figure out their origin. Despite these exciting developments, it is important to remember that the search for extraterrestrial life is a long and challenging process. Many discoveries that initially seem promising turn out to be false alarms, and it can take years or even decades to gather enough evidence to confirm the presence of life. Despite the challenges, the search for extraterrestrial life is an incredibly exciting and important endeavor. If we are able to find life beyond Earth, it would be one of the most important discoveries in human history. It would revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The discovery of life on other planets would also raise many philosophical questions about the nature of life itself and what it means to be human. It would challenge our current understanding of biology and evolution and force us to rethink our place in the grand scheme of things. Even if we don't find life on other planets, the search itself has already yielded amazing discoveries and taught us so much about the universe and our place in it. It has shown us that we are not alone in the vastness of space, and that there is so much more to explore and discover. So keep looking up at the stars, and who knows, maybe one day, we will find that we are not alone in the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must remain open-minded and prepared for the possibility of discovering life beyond our planet. It is a daunting task, but one that is sure to yield amazing discoveries and insights into the nature of the universe. The idea that we are alone in the universe is a comforting one. It makes us feel special, unique, and important. But the truth is that the universe is vast, and it's likely that we are not alone. In fact, recent discoveries have hinted that we may not be alone after all. One of the most compelling evidence for the existence of extraterrestrial life is the discovery of water on Mars. Water is the building block of life as we know it, and its presence on other planets could be a sign that life could also exist there. In recent years, NASA's Curiosity rover has found evidence of liquid water on Mars, including rocks and soil that appeared to have been eroded by flowing water. The discovery of water on Mars has raised hopes that the planet could have once been habitable and that there could still be evidence of ancient life there. Another piece of evidence that suggests we are not alone is the detection of strange radio signals from space. These signals have been detected by radio telescopes around the world, and they have been attributed to various natural phenomena such as supernovas and pulsars. However, some scientists believe that these signals could be artificial in origin, and that they could be coming from civilizations that are much more advanced than ours. While it's possible that these signals are natural, it's also possible that they are artificial, and that means that we could be receiving messages from other civilizations in the universe. One of the most intriguing aspects of the search for extraterrestrial life is the possibility that we may not be the ones who are being sought after. There are many theories that suggest that there are advanced civilizations in the universe that have been watching us for centuries, and that they may have been influencing our development. The idea that we are being watched by an advanced civilization is a scary one, but it's also one that has been explored in many science fiction stories. If we are being watched by an advanced civilization, then it's possible that they could be trying to contact us or even trying to influence our development as a species. As we continue to explore the universe, we must be aware that we are not alone, and that there are other beings out there that are capable of great things. The possibility that we are being watched by an advanced civilization is both exciting and terrifying. It suggests that there are other beings in the universe that are more intelligent and advanced than us. But it also raises questions about their motives and intentions. Are they friendly or are they hostile? Are they trying to help us or are they trying to harm us? If we are being watched by an advanced civilization, then it's possible that they have been observing us for centuries. They may have been watching our wars and our conflicts, our triumphs and our failures, our hopes and our dreams. The thought of being watched by an advanced civilization can be both humbling and terrifying. It suggests that we are not as special or unique as we like to think we are, and it raises questions about our place in the universe. As we continue to explore the universe, we must be aware that we are not alone, and that there are other beings out there that are more advanced than us. It is a sobering thought, but one that is necessary to fully understand our place in the cosmos. There are many reasons to believe that we are not alone in the universe. From the discovery of water on Mars to the detection of strange radio signals from space, there is evidence that suggests that life could exist beyond our planet. The thought of being watched by an advanced civilization is both exciting and terrifying, but it is also a reminder that we are not alone in the universe. Thank you for watching. Tell me what you think about this video in the comments below. I'll see you next time.